My peach tree is leaking sap. What can I use to treat it? Thank you for the help. And this is Chow Vo. Look, he's already getting ready. He likes this one.
Yeah. It's a
Peach tree.
Peach tree borer is what it is. And when you reach the point where your peach tree is leaking sap, you're probably too late.
It's too late.
This year to do anything about it. Preventative trunk spraying is the only thing that I'm aware of that will prevent that from happening. If when that clear wing moth, the adult, lands on the base, the bark of that tree, and there's a layer of insecticide there, that will take care of it. And that's the only thing that I know of. At one time there was a parasitic nematode that they were hopeful that you'd be able to inject into that hole, the tunnel, or into the tree, and hopefully it would go up in there and kill that borer. But I've not found that to be successful, and I haven't heard any more about it in the last few years. But the recommendation on the peach home peach spray guide is that direct a spray. Now this is May the 31st, June 30th, and July 15th. But not within 14 days of harvest. So if you've got an early peach, you may want to leave off that last one. But May 31st, the last day of May, the last day of June, and the middle of July. May 31st, June 30th, July 15th, 3 times. 3 times. Spray with either S-phenvalerate or gamma cyhalothrin. There's just 2 products, the only 2 products that we recommend. They have a little bit of residual activity. And if you do that, you shouldn't have any problem with peach borers. This peach borer may or may not kill the tree. It's got a 1-year life cycle. If it survives this infestation, spray it 3 times next year. But
once the borer is already in the tree, then
you're not spraying it. But it's going to come out.
Right.
It's going to pupate. It's got 1 year. It's going to pupate, and then the adult moths will hatch out and start laying eggs again. But it might be able to survive this 1 year. It's weakened the tree. It may kill. There may be more. There may be multiple borers in there. The tree may be dead, and not know it. But if it survives and leaves out next spring,
treat it at that time.
Prevent those 3 applications will prevent it.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.